And we're here na ulit sa from the White Temple. Hey guys, good morning. This is JE once again and welcome back to Vlogsetter. And for today's video guys, we are now walking towards the yung sa van natin na kung saan siya nakapark ngayon kasi dun siya banda sa pinuntahan natin kahapon na mall, which is the Maya Mall, pero meron tong parking across because we are going to do yung tour natin ngayon, which is yung going to Chiang Rai. That is another city here in Thailand. And it's currently 6:45 almost in the morning, and it's surprisingly cold today kasi kahapon sobrang init, although kasi we went out ng parang past lunch hours, and then towards the night medyo mainit-init din. But today I'm not sure because siguro maaga pa, it's cold. And we're here na ulit sa Maya Mall, and we're just gonna cross over there. And so we're here guys. Ito yung One Niman na parking lot, and usually yung mga tour na mga vans are they are staying here. So yan. Hey guys, we're now here at the first stop of our tour. This is the hot spring in Chiang Rai. So we're just staying here for a few minutes. Sabi ni ate tour guide until 35 lang daw. So it's 8:10. And parang 2 more hours yata going to the temple, which is another attraction here in Chiang Rai.
Today, okay, may I introduce myself? My name is Alisa. Okay, the Chiang Rai was the first capital of the northern regions. It was founded by the King Rai. Okay, what's the meaning of Chiang Mai? It's new city. New city. Here on the right.
We're here now guys, second stop natin, and this is the White Temple. Ayun yun. It's all white, and we're just going to cross over there. And doon daw tayo pupunta sa chapel. So we just finished going around this white temple. Nandito na kami sa labas ngayon, going towards the souvenir shop. So yung last activity here guys would be yung lunch from either this food court or meron ding restaurant sa taas for the buffet lunch. So right now we are just waiting for 10 more minutes kasi we have to be back in our van at 12:15. It's high noon now at ganyang kainit. So guys, from the White Temple, we are now here sa Blue Temple naman. And they're also calling this one Tiger Temple. At nandun yung mga kasama namin sa initan. It's 1 PM and the sun is up there. Kaya sobrang init here. And because everybody's buying the ice cream, makigaya tayo. Ito na guys yung coconut ice cream nila. Yeah, this one is yung may kasamang mango flavor and coconut juice, yun nasa ilalim.
Yeah, bandam.
Durian's brother.
Yeah, Durian's brother, but Durian's is strong. Belong to the national artist named two private house. On the right hand side, this is a modern, but belong to other people. They have a cute giveaways guys. This one, their mini pineapple, and nagbigay din sila nung pwede mong kainin. Yes. Yeah, that's part of the freebie nung tour na kinuha namin. And by the way, we're still here sa Bandam? Bandam. Yeah, ang daming mga houses artistically made, and this is a huge place. Sobrang liit lang. Guys, we're now back here at the Niman parking lot, and tapos na yung tour. It's now 6:10 in the evening, pero ang liwanag pa. So ngayon, naglalakad lang uli kami dito sa One Market. Nakikita niyo sa likod ko ang daming mga stalls of souvenirs and also other food dun sa pinakalabas. So guys, ito yung One Niman
na parking kung saan nag-start yung tour namin today. And to summarize yung pinuntahan namin through the Klook tour today, we had 4 na mga destinations. So yung una yung sa Hot Spring, that's already in Chiang Rai. Tapos yung White Temple, then the Blue Temple, and then the Panda Museum, ayun yung pinakahuli. And upon return, meron din kaming tinigilan na souvenir shop, but yung mga tinta kasi nila parang medyo pricey, so we were not able to buy anything from there. It's 6:30 now, pero maliwanag pa rin. And what we're doing right now is we're booking ride going to the night market. Andito na kami guys sa Saturday night market. And ang daming tao. So guys, we're able to see yung Thai sausages. Bumili ako ng isa. Pero what I took is the original one kasi all others are spicy. So guys, we've been eating mga food na available here at nakakabusog. So we took yung original nilang sausage, and then yung dumplings, and now I'm eating this mango sticky rice and yung shake.
Cracky.